painter. And I have to say, guys, this painter here is practically famous. Maybe you didn't discover
Why is
that
that?
yet? Well, she was a finalist of not one but two Dutch TV shows. Oh, I heard a vote.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah, it's true. And I have to ask because I'm a little bit ignorant. So she was a finalist of The Nieuwe Vermeer and a finalist from the Zonkemeesters. You know that? Yeah. Raise your hand. Yeah. Perfect. She also founded the Filipino Artists Guild of Europe and Le Monde Annual. Alright. So guys, welcome this our video host for tonight's night. Her name is Marisa Shaloni Mercado.
May pintor sa Paris, may manunulat sa Madrid, may mga awit sa Vienna, tawa nila ay kabati. May mananayaw sa London, umiikot sa entablado, sa bawat patak ng pawis, nagmumukha ito. May sabay tayo, Pilipino kaibigan.